So to learn a little bit more about the ride experience, I'm going to invite our Director of Operations and Product Excellence, Nick Miller, to the stage.
Thank you, Rex. Ahoy, everyone. Good morning. Who's excited? We are so excited to have you this morning. I will admit our coordinates may have been a little off with this one, especially when we experienced those high seas last fall. But we're here and we are ready for you. This ride is so unique. It features free-floating vessels with real-life captains on board, and it is full of piratey fun for all ages. I am so excited because each ride you go on this, you're going to experience different creatures, different jokes as you go through the story and count Brickbeard's treasure along the way. We are so excited to have these canals and these waterways open for everyone once again. So, I think we need a little bit of help from our swashbuckling crew to open this up. What do you think, Rex?
That's right. Are we ready to set sail?
Yeah! Captain Redbeard is the best! Excuse me, now it's time to join his quest! Captain Redbeard is the best! Now it's time to join his quest! Captain Redbeard is the best! Now it's time to join his quest! Captain Redbeard is the best! Now it's time to join his quest!